The recommended cleaning equipment. Eason Cleaning Services. This is a short video that provides information on the types of cleaning equipment that helps us improve our service delivery. Our clients often ask for advice on the equipment they require for the cleaning service. Sometimes, if there are better options available to do particular jobs more effectively, we will consult on the best options. Our focus is on the efficiency and safety of the service delivery, hence, some basic cleaning equipment that we recommend are based on ergonomics. Our recommendation to our clients are as follows: for manual handling precautions, select a long-handled broom, and a long-handled dustpan and brush. To prevent back strain, the roller wringer, plastic and metal bucket with wheels is easy to store and handle. And a long-handled mop keeps your posture upright. Paper towels are handy when cleaning and polishing surfaces. The paper roll is easy to handle. Cleaning surfaces is a big part of the service. Disposable domestic wipes and microfiber cleaning cloths help to get the job done. Waste accumulates, and disposal is part of the cleaning process. Bin liners are essential in managing waste and keeping the workplace tidy. Selecting the right cleaning supplies to get the job done is important. This all-purpose cleaner can be used to mop the floors and clean the toilets, is cost-effective and can last you 6 to 12 months, if the business is small or medium-sized. We hope you found this information helpful. Our clients want a safer option, therefore we use neutral cleaning detergents. Thank you for listening. We are here to help. Contact us at info@easoncleaning.com.